they really put an effort to make this day special for everyone.
Yes, maraming salamat din po sa organizers, sa tech team, sa security, at lahat po na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Sana po safe po tayo lahat umuwi and iwan po natin yung lugar na ito na malinis. Yes, that's right.
And we would also like to thank your family and friends po na nandito tonight. Thank you po sa pagbiyahe. Thank you kahit malayo po yung pinanggalingan nyo. Thank you po sa pag-support. And also thank you to our band, 6 Part and